Finding your Samsung IMEI and serial number is easier than you think. Today, I'll guide you through two quick and simple ways to check these important details directly from your phone without using any extra apps. The first method is by using the settings menu. This is one of the simplest ways because all the important information about your Samsung device is already stored inside the phone. To start, open the Settings app from your home screen or app drawer. Scroll down until you find the About Phone option and tap on it. Here, you will see different details about your device, including the model number, serial number, and IMEI number. You can carefully check these details or copy them if needed. This method is useful when you have access to your phone and want to view complete device information. The second method is even faster and works on almost all Samsung Galaxy smartphones. For this method, open the phone app on your device and go to the keypad section. Now enter the code. As soon as you type the code, your phone will automatically display the IMEI information on your screen. Depending on your Samsung model, you may also see additional device details. This method does not require opening settings and is a quick way to find your IMEI number within seconds. Both methods are safe, simple, and do not require any extra applications. Remember to keep your IMEI and serial number private because these details are unique to your device. And there you have it, guys. You now know two simple ways to find your Samsung IMEI and serial number. I hope this guide helped you. If you found it useful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tech tips.